Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, a teenage British national gunned down in Kingston. What police are revealing tonight about the deadly attack. Also developing tonight.
Yo, hot off for the press, guys. Hot off for the press. Welcome back to Father and Son Lifestyle. Right now, we are in a Mountain View at my place. Well, hot. Yeah, yeah, man. Police and bad man, not shootout, you know.
Another fatal police confrontation. 2 men shot dead in Mountain View after a reported shootout with officers. And
is any old June fight me? Is any old June try to fight me? When I got ear.
TikTok star Rosalie arrested after a violent attack on her mother caught on video. Plus, World Cup dreams alive. The Reggae Boys learn their path to the 2026 tournament and who they'd face first if they qualify. And a big win for education tonight.
The one and only teacher, the male teacher in the department who will collect awards. Listen to me this now. 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 1, 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 2, and 100% pass for CSEC Foods and Nutrition.
Jonathan Grant High School celebrates soaring CSEC results. We have the remarkable results later tonight. We want to welcome you to Jamaica News Page tonight, news powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for subscribing and connecting. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. Developing tonight, a 17-year-old British national was shot and killed early this morning along 3rd Street in Kingston 12. He has been identified as Romario Scott, otherwise called Rams, of an England address. Reports are that around 2:50 a.m. Romario was visiting relatives in the area when he was approached by a gunman who opened fire, hitting him before escaping. Family members rushed the wounded teen to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police have since launched an investigation into the killing. Also developing tonight, the man who was brutally murdered during a robbery in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth on Friday has been identified as well-known Kenya-born artist Mazola Mwashigadi. Mazola, a respected Rastafarian described by those who knew him as kind and peaceful. He was 61 years old. Police reports indicate that the incident occurred around midnight in Billis Bay. Mazola was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Mazola, a multidisciplinary artist and trained teacher, relocated from Kenya to Jamaica years ago and went on to make the island his adopted home. Before settling in Treasure Beach, he operated from a studio in Gordontown, St. Andrew, where he created several notable works that were showcased at exhibitions locally and internationally. He was widely admired and deeply respected within Jamaica's art community. The Black River Criminal Investigation Branch is now probing the incident.
Yo, hot off for the press, guys. Hot off for the press. Welcome back to Father and Son Lifestyle. Right now, we are in a Mountain View at my place. Well, hot. Yeah, yeah, man. Police and bad man not shootout, you know. Yes, sir. Right now, we're up on the front and look where we're going and see where we're going, you know.
The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom has launched a probe into the fatal police shooting of 2 men along 11th Lane in Mountain View, St. Andrew on Thursday.
Watch out. Watch your man. Watch your man there, man. A crazy thing are going on, guys.
Around 4 p.m., police officers intercepted a motor vehicle carrying several men. Investigators say the occupants exited the vehicle allegedly armed with handguns and a confrontation ensued. During the exchange of gunfire, 2 men were injured. They were transported to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Police have reported that firearms were recovered at the scene. The incident has increased the number of people killed by the security forces since the start of the year to 285. New tonight, social media personality Rosalie is out of jail after being taken into custody overnight following an alleged physical altercation with her mother in Seaview Gardens, Kingston 11.
Is any old June fight me? Is any old June try to fight me? When I got ear. Any old June fight me? Cause I trying to fight me, I'm come round here. Oh, and old sharp ball Taylor Lee. Hello.
Why is Miss Laverne? What happened?
June said I can't come round at my grandmother's yard.
Eh?
She never said so. She never said so.
Intensity has me up.
You come in here. You come in and come provoke me. Me a toss up. You bump say lick your head on the wall. You come talk about, oh, me lick you. Me lick you, woman. All this man, you come up with an argument. Me lick your woman, I know me not touch you. Oh, she beat her mother so badly, so she not gonna hospital yet. Oh, we have a doctor's report. Why she can't go on a station? Cause she know what she do.
The motive behind the incident remains unclear.
Rose in my face, a rose. Me no road mother joke. And God bless you, we take way. And our mother ready. And we know the parents can put our children to rot. But of them care we come here.
Rosalie was later released after her mother reportedly declined to press charges. Police investigations are ongoing, and authorities have not yet issued an official statement detailing further steps in the matter. A Trelawney teacher whose two-story home was destroyed by Hurricane Melissa is now facing renewed distress tonight after criminals began using footage of the damaged property to scam people overseas.
There are persons who have been scamming using my building. They have been sending my building abroad. They have been doing it locally too, yes. Claiming that they own the building and they have been collecting money from people. One lady come there and she scammed me to my face. Actually told me she was doing a pre-interview for TVJ. She was giving me a feed of what the questions would be like when she would return the following day with TVJ. She has not come, and only to see the video uploaded to TikTok, it went viral. I've not gotten a cent for any of those viral videos that are out there.
Oh no.
So people have been profiting off my demise.
The woman, Joan Montague, shared her experience during an appearance on Nationwide 90 FM on Friday. Montague, who teaches at Low River Primary and Infant School, also works as a farmer and entrepreneur. She says her property, which housed her family home and 3 small businesses, was left inaccessible after severe flooding from Hurricane Melissa washed away the road and land supporting the structure. She maintains that all necessary approvals were obtained from planning authorities before construction began in 2019. Montague estimates her losses at approximately $100 million. Telecommunications provider Digicel says it has been hit by yet another act of vandalism, this time targeting its fiber network in downtown Kingston.
I stress that every time someone deliberately destroys our network, they disrupt essential services, businesses, they threaten public safety, and interrupt the daily lives of our hard-working Jamaicans. We strongly condemn this reckless behaviour, and we will continue to work closely with the authorities to ensure those responsible are held accountable. Digicel will not be deterred, and we remain committed to reconnecting Jamaica and rebuilding a resilient, reliable network for our customers.
Member of Parliament for South Trelawney Marissa Dalrymple Philibert says some residents displaced by Hurricane Melissa have found temporary employment.
It's the World Kitchen and other providers.
Yes.
If I come up at 6 in the morning, they are delivering meals cooked. And if I go down at 10 at night, they are delivering meals cooked. And what is wonderful about them, apart from the meals, they have provided employment for those in the area who have worked to help them to distribute.
Now to sports. CONCACAF heavyweights Mexico will face South Africa in the opening match of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, scheduled for June 11 in Mexico City. The matchup was confirmed on Friday following the official World Cup group draw held at the Kennedy Center in Washington, D.C. Defending champions Argentina will begin their title defense 1 day later on June 12 against Algeria. However, attention in Jamaica was firmly fixed on where the Reggae Boys could land.
Okay.
I think we are getting there, which is good. Congo DR, Jamaica, and New Caledonia.
Okay, Congo DR await the winner of the match between Jamaica and potential tournament debutants New Caledonia. Now, whoever wins that final will advance to the World Cup.
I think that would be a good zone for us. It looked a little big enough to go through to the second round, but not really if you look at the teams that are there and what they would have done over the last couple of years. Portugal, as you can see, was beaten recently. There's always a chance against them, I think, even although they are such a high-quality team. But if you play them in a particular way, you could get a result. Colombia, again, has been hot and cold over the last decade or so. So I think it would be a really good job for Jamaica if we get there.
Jamaica's only appearance at a FIFA Men's World Cup came in 1998 in France, where the Reggae Boys exited at the group stage after defeats to Argentina and Croatia, but made history with a memorable 2-1 win over Japan. And before we go tonight, Jonathan Grant High School in St. Catherine is celebrating strong academic performance in the 2024-2025 CSEC exams.
The one and only teacher, the male teacher in the department who will collect awards. Listen to me this now. 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 1, 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 2, and 100% pass for CSEC Foods and Nutrition. And I invite none other than Mr. Sanjay Stevenson to collect those awards.
The school's overall pass rate improved to 75.9%, up from 69.5% last year. Dozens of students excelled, with 5 students passing 9 subjects. 9, yes. 19 passing 8, 20 passing 7, 43 passing 6, 42 passing 5, 54 passing 4. That's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight, powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for connecting and watching. We'll see you in the comments. And be sure to join us again for more news. Good night.